Hello! Jesus, my sound went up to full. Look at this. It's an Angry Bird. Oh, shot by an Angry Bird. I'm probably gonna call my videos. Oh no, darkness, lightness, darkness, lightness. Disco. Disco. Stop doing it now. It's ghost that. It's not. There's no one there. There's no one there. See. Oh no, there is someone there. Anyway, as you can probably tell by the top of this video, probably not actually, because I won't name the video Sounds of an Angry Bird. So, yeah, that's obviously new. Also, I'm getting used to just talking to someone else that's behind the camera, not to a camera now. So I'm getting kind of good at that. I made this video because I want you to meet someone. Get here now. Hello? Yeah, well, that plan failed. I don't know where she went. That's weird. I'm gonna leave it as a cliffhanger and everyone's gonna, like, rage at me. Going, who? Who is it? Who? Who was it? It's an Angry Bird. No, it's not really, but the point is, I've forgotten what the point is. Okay, that was a quick video, as I normally do when I'm bored. I've got other stuff to do, so I will leave you with this. I'm a pirate. Yep. Bye. Yeehaw! No, that's not a pirate. Arr, that's a pirate. That's not a hook, that's my hand. Bye.